I like that basically all I have to do is follow the schedule every day. I work Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Love having weekends off, and I love the opportunity to work Saturdays. And I love having my birthday off. And I like making a good wage. I've worked for Dazzle for just about a year now.
And what are some of the things that have encouraged you to stay for so long?
Well, when I reached a year, they started matching my 401k, which is amazing. I've got great medical benefit, a really good schedule. Again, I mean, having this schedule, I haven't had weekends off for most of my life. So to be able to have weekends off and evenings and be able to have such a set schedule just means so much. I'm used to working on call or, kind of never having Sundays off. And I mean,